This tutorial is Stop Windows Update Online completely for free. If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Presets and effects for life, click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial. Alright, the first step in stopping the Windows Update Online is to click and type in here on the search bar, run, and then type in here on the screen, services.msc, all lowercase, and click OK. Once the window has been opened up and loaded, click somewhere and then type W, and this will bring up the W's, and scroll down until you see Windows Update, which is below Windows Time and above Windows Update Media Service. At least it is for me. Right click Windows Update and click Properties, and then under the first tab, because we have a different bunch of tabs here, make sure you are on General, and under the startup type we have it set to manual, but if we click the drop down arrow we can change this to automatic, manual, or disabled. If you want to disable it permanently or even temporarily, you can click apply and click OK.